How to buy STONKS 9800 token. So this token came under the symbol of STONKS. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 10 hours ago and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token is trending number 10 in the Ethereum section on the screener. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, as you can see, now go to your wallet. And now from the top right corner, click here and select the Ethereum network. After that, click on this plus icon and now you can paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now you can add this token to your wallet, but before that, make sure to read that warning. And if you are ready to go, just click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token. If you don't want to search, just click here and now you can type the token name. In this case, it will be STONKS like that. Now after you find it, just click on it and now click here on swap. Switch from here and from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And now you can type here how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see here from the bottom. So as you can see, so after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy STONKS token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.